please subscribe. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just a penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch, and I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, July 28th, and in today's video, I have one play for you and one to put in stock. But before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the markets. The Dow rallied up 1.37% yesterday to close at 32,197. The Nasdaq, they spiked 4% at 12,032. Highest one-day gainer in about a couple of years. Okay, the Nas. Apple closed up 3.42%, looking strong at $150.79. Apple. Google spiked 7.7% yesterday to close at $113.60. Google. Let's jump right into it. Dave's play today is a MT play, medium term hold. Okay, just wait for a pullback to the high teens. JAKK, JAKK. The company came out with earnings. They beat on the bottom line and they beat on the top line. And on that, the stock is spiking 36% in the pre-markets. Currently sitting at $23.36 at the recording of this video. The high of day thus far in the pre is $24. If this retracts below $17.49, this might be a no-go today. $17.49, that's their new 52-week high on July 25th, a few days ago. $17.49, pay attention to that number. This one is in the leisure space, headquarters out of California. You know, we're back traveling again. The leisure sector and the traveling sector is heating up, the hotel industry, okay? We've been locked down for about 2 years or so, so everything is back on track. Let's kick the tires. A market cap of 163 million. Okay, their 200-day moving average is $12.43. They have a low float of 6 million. 27% of the float are held by insiders. This is JAKK. 46% of the float are institutions. Let me repeat that. 46% of the float are held by institution insurance as 2% of the float. Okay. Their profit margin is a positive 2.17%. Their operating margin is a positive 6.19%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 8.3%. And their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 54%. Let me say that again. Their ROE is a positive 54%. This is money they're making on their money, interest payment on their money, okay? Their ROE and their ROA, they're making money on their money. Let me cut the blatherskite and continue. Their revenue is 658 million. Their revenue per share, get this, 76.97 their revenue per share. Go ahead and check out their numbers, their earnings and their revenue and their earnings increased. Go ahead and read up on their earnings report, okay? Let's continue. Their quarterly revenue growth is a positive 44% year over year, okay? Quarterly revenue growth, 44% year over year. They have 191 million in gross profit. 191 million in gross profit. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 51 million. This is JAKK. Their net income is 12.91 million. They have a total cash of 29 million and a total debt of 113 million. Their current ratio is sitting at 1.2 1.80. Please put a stock on ATHX. The stock is up 28% at 24 cents after closing up 10% yesterday to close at 19 cents. There's no news in particular out. We're just paying attention to the price action. I believe they're coming out with their earnings in a few days or so. Go ahead and read up the news on when their earnings will be coming out. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets for ATHX is 28 cents, okay? The company made a new 52-week low yesterday of 17 cents. So this might be a combination of bottom fishing with the earnings drawing close. This one is in the biotech space, headquarters out of Ohio, okay? This one has spikeability. For example, on April the 11th, the stock went from 51 cents all the way to $1.33. 51 cents to $1.33. They have 21.8 million in cash and 9.52 in debt. Total debt 9.52 million, total cash 21.8 million. Their current ratio is sitting at par 1.00 ATHX. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys, at DuppyT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Got a lot of money invested in a Dave play. Every day, you want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas, rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going on. But here, you know, I find myself with the money. And instead, I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Wanna do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.